and Piggie book. Lion 2. Achoo! 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 Pig make beneath. Gerald, what do you want to do today? I want a yes, a what, a ball, a rim, a hat. Chew! Leaf, are you okay? I do not know. Achoo! I cannot achoo! Sneezing. Oh no! What is big magnet need? Achoo! What if he tried to need my hurry? But if pig don't make me need, then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be able forever. But there are no, do not speak. It is too late. Goodbye, Gerald. I okay, Gerald. Now I'm not okay, Dr. Cat. Pig! Make me sneeze! And Pig is big. Pig is at home, my best friend. Achoo! Wait. Now cats make me need to. I do not think pig make you sneeze. I do not think cat make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. I am sick. Thank you, doctor. Big, great news! I have a cold. Good for you. Better.